Don't tell me that's Lloyd's Tower. I thought Lloyd's Tower was miles away. Ooh. There's a shop there with food. Didn't bring me wallet though. I rarely do on the walks because I know I'm not going to go into shops and buy anything. There's a pub, takeaway, off license. So that's an off license over here in Ireland. Or as we call them, the offal. So you get your fun juice. More shoes. That's another off license. I don't think that's Lloyd's Tower. Lloyd's Tower is supposed to be a few kilometres away, but it's something similar to this. But that's what I love about Ireland. All the cities and villages are built around main kind of historic areas and zones. I've never been to Kells. It's my first time over here, and I will be honest with you, I've done zero research on this place because I like to be surprised, you know. I like to go here and go, ooh, that looks like a nice restaurant. Ooh, there's a church here. Ooh, look at this old wall. Stuff like that. You know, I'm dreading actually the walking in Thailand, to be honest with you, because I go for my walks first thing in the morning and just be like 2 degrees Celsius cold, and I'd be hot by the end of it, like, you know, I'd be roasting. Then I'm going over to something like 30 degrees Celsius with humidity. I'd probably die. Right. So this place is called No Parking Anytime. It's a very interesting name. Alright, hold on. Right, so this place is St. Columbia's Church of Ireland. So that's what that is. And there's a nice little town shot there. It's very misty this morning. Big fog. So I'm wearing my mask, so that's why if you hear me breathing a bit heavily. And I'm out of shape as well. Like, you know, you've seen videos of me, you know what I look like. I'm not the healthiest. So, take a stroll back down this way. I might whip down this way actually. So let's put around here. I'll take a little quick shop at this. Look at this shop. Try not to die on the way. Always be careful crossing roads, you know. There's no harm in looking at extra bit. And that will be a breeze if you come from Vietnam or Thailand or somewhere where traffic is just left, right and centre. Right, so this is kind of a housing estate-ish. Darren O'Rourke TV. So we'll loop down this way. Another hair salon. And then back to the main village, and then we should be back. And then the next videos will be Lloyd's Tower, and then, well, I don't want to give too much away now. I want you to stay tuned, but we're changing from the city scenery to ancient history kind of stuff around this area, because Meath is supposed to be Ireland's ancient east. So make sure you do your research. The only thing is, for me it's easy because I have the car. I could just drive around. For tourists, unless you're renting a car, I think getting in and around these spots is going to be difficult. Yes, you can probably get like tour boys. Let me try that again. You can get tour guides and tour days and stuff like that. But you know, you might go to a place and you want to spend 2 hours at it, and then the bus driver says, "Hey, you got it for 5 minutes here." Dude, it takes me 5 minutes to get off the bloody bus. It takes another 5 minutes to get back on the bus. And I gotta pee. So. Now, I did do a tour guide in Iceland. Mainly because it was very expensive. I'd love to go back though. So amazing. I had a great time. The scenery is unbelievable.